My dear ones, this is just a video shot from the recovery garden at the East Infectious Disease Center, where I am undergoing treatment for COVID-19. I just thought sending this message out to those of you who are my loved ones, at least will let you know I've survived it for 5 days, and therefore I encourage anybody who is afflicted not to be afraid, because yes, COVID is real, but healing is equally real if we will do the best. My advice is what I call the 3 P's: prayer, protocols, and prayer. And you can add 2 more to it, and protocols and prayer, so it becomes 5. Let us continue praying, thanking God for the doctors, the nurses, the frontline workers, and the great good job they are doing. They are really stretched out and stressed out. They need our prayerful support, love, and concern for themselves and for anything God can help them to do. Number 2, let us continue to pray for those who are patients like myself, a privileged one. May God take our impatience even as prayer and bring us healing. But I must say, with a lot of patience